All right, so what did I get? Got another toy as I move things around. As you can see, it says Canyon. Went with them again. Now, which one? Many of you may already know if you follow me on the socials. Put out which one should I buy? Got the starter kit. Debating how I should do this. I guess pull stuff out, huh? Like these wheels. Wow, these are kind of heavy. She's skinny. The front. Suppose I could take these out. We got a seat post. A red SRAM AXS power pack. You know what that means? I think I'll go put this thing on the charger right now, and that way I can have a little bit of juice when this is all done. It is a windy day. Of course, it seems like I always record when it's windy. Ay, ay, ay. I guess we could take out more of this cardboard. It's a little hot right now. It's a little hot outside. So, I guess it's more than the truth, huh? I think I'm gonna put the seat on, pull this out, bars, and go from there. Put it on the stand and put some wheels on it. Gotta get the paste. Just the wee bit. Put it on the bar or in here. Part of the video I saw. And tighten it. I'm just gonna put it low because I don't know where I'm gonna want it at. Snug that up. Guess it's time, eh? Dun, dun, dun. We got a Canyon Grizzl. I think it's nice. You know, speed is the name of the game. I guess that's good. Guess we gotta finish taking all this off, eh? Seems straight. Now, you may be wondering why Canyon, why not someone else? And for that, I must say, it was mostly because of pricing and all the features that came with it. This bike cost me about $2,800. The only thing so far I haven't liked was just the limited color options. So, but I have a plan to fix that. You gotta get these down to 5 Newton meters, they say. Looks about right. Looks crooked. Probably it's me. Take off this front one. Can you bring me my Amazon package, please? I hope you caught most of that. My camera got full and no, but all I do is put the tire on, so. Now time for the back one.
I don't know how that's
Yeah. Gotta take these off or else my buddy Joe is gonna be not a happy camper with me. I will say these are a lot easier. They give you a screw to take off compared to the other ones you gotta like twist and pop. Haven't even put this bike on the ground yet, and I already broke it. The through axle fell and it broke the little cap, and I'm sad. Anybody else have a good way to take these off? What am I doing? Oh, this is SRAM, so it's different. No, it's not. Just gotta be smart, that's all. I'm over here trying to cut it. All I had to do was take off the cassette. So for pedals, I went with the Xpedo M-Force 3. I wanted to get the 8s, but they were kind of out of stock and everything, and these were pretty cheap on Amazon and pretty light. That's why I went with it. Give them a try. It says assembly paste, but it's fine. Just gonna put a little dabby dab on there. And then thread on. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I think I was supposed to put these washers on when I put the pedals on. Oops. Just to be safe, because I did have a little oopsie on clip-ins earlier this year. Just gonna make sure they're all the way loose. Well, guess that's mostly it. Adjust the seat, put the battery in, and then let's go for a ride. Well, that's it.